anything, glory to Jesus. You can try anyhow to be romantic, but if you don't submit into the man, that is for in vain. Am I talking to someone? And that is to be done here on earth. That is the life that is to be implemented here on earth. As we are rising young women, some they are single. Even though they are not yet married, they should learn the way in which to submit. Those who are married already, they should find a way in their hearts to love their husband by submitting unto them. Listen here. There are few things that can expose you as a woman that you did not learn how to love a man or your husband. Glory to Jesus.
Amen.
Number one, raising a voice in any condition to your husband. It's a big error. You have shifted him to another office. When you start to shout, when you start to raise your voice, you make a statement that he is no longer your husband, he's just your friend.